What am I? Written by Brian and Gillian Cutting, illustrations by David Aston. What am I? Wonder if you remember what that's called. Yep, question mark. What lives in the jungle? I am long and live in the river. I have a big mouth and terrible teeth. What am I? A crocodile. I have big ears and a long nose. I have small eyes and long tusks. What am I? I hope that you're guessing before I turn the page. An elephant. I live in the trees. I can swing and climb. I eat fruit and nuts. What am I? A monkey. I can climb trees. I am yellow with black spots. What am I? A leopard. I slither and slide. I can climb trees. I eat birds and eggs. What am I? A snake. I can fly. I can catch and eat monkeys. What am I? Wow, eat monkeys. Something must be pretty big. An eagle. I can find all the animals in the jungle. Can you? Oh, there they are. Can you see them? Can you see the leopard, the monkey, the crocodile? Wow, I think the elephant's the best at hiding. The snake and the eagle. Here's our poem. Yeah. Yummy yogurt. Yummy yellow yogurt. Yum, 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 yummy. Tastes so delicious as it goes down in my tummy. And the action is a spoon into your mouth, eating the yummy, yummy yogurt. Right, let's see if we can have some much better singing than mine. Okay, so obviously our letter today is why. When we see it written in a lot of books, it's usually written like that or like that. But when we write it as writers, forming it correctly, we actually start up. We make a go down and around and almost make a cup shape, and then we go down and make a monkey's tail. So down, up, monkey's tail. Down, up, monkey's tail. Oh, I didn't make the sound. Yeah. Yummy yellow yogurt. So down, round, monkey's tail. Yeah. Down, up, round, whoops, monkey's tail. Yeah. On the line, we start at the purple line, we go down to the black, round, up, down, monkey's tail. It's called a monkey's tail because it needs to hang off the line. Yeah. Down, round, up, down, monkey's tail. Yeah. Your turn. Make the sound. Yeah. We have some helpers today that are going to help us with our sound yeah.
This is my yo-yo. This is my yellow yogurt. This is my yellow. This is my yellow yacht. My yacht has yellow balloons and yellow yams, and I can see a yucky shark.
Okay, let's look at our heart words. I'll put them up. You tell me what they are. I. The. She. My. He. To. Going. Was. Went. Said. Of. Of my to was. I, the, she, said. He, going, went. Good job. Maybe pause it and see if you can read them by yourself.